Hi there, students. Dandy. How are you today? I'm dandy. Okay, so dandy, it can be a noun or it can be an adjective. Let's see. You can use dandy to mean a person who's obsessed with being elegant. Yeah, they're always thinking about manners and clothes. Yeah, somebody who's always worried about being elegant. But notice this is a man. Um, we also use dandy as the adjective, meaning everything's fine, yeah? But that's much more American. The dandy as the man is a word of British origin, whereas everything's just dandy. It's an American phrase, but you could use it in English as well. Maybe it's a bit old-fashioned. So, a dandy, somebody who's always worried about being well dressed, unduly concerned about looking stylish, looking fashionable. Yeah? And then this adjective meaning excellent. So, things are dandy. Things are just dandy. Notice very often this phrase, things are just dandy, is used ironically to say that actually things aren't as good, aren't good at all. It's being ironic. Well, that's just dandy if you've got all day to spend doing this. Yeah. He always pretends that life is dandy, but it's not really. Yeah. Yeah, that thing looks really cute, really nice. I'd love to have one, but that's just dandy if you're really rich. If you're not, who can spend £5,000 on something like that? Okay, so a dandy, a man who, especially from the past, who's always dressed in fashionable, expensive clothes. Yeah, he's always looking after his own appearance. The word a dandy reminds me of Beau Brummel. There was a film with, I think, Stuart Granger and Elizabeth Taylor called Beau Brummel. And Beau Brummel was a dandy. Yeah, he was always obsessed with how he looked. And he was always the absolute height of fashion. I think he became a friend of George the Fourth before he became king. Okay, so a dandy, yeah. Particularly from the past, an old-fashioned man who's always looks really, really, really elegant. Yeah, he's always trying to look just perfect, and then everything is dandy. Yeah, everything's just fine. Everything's agreeable. How's life? Just dandy. Yeah, but maybe it's ironic as well. But listen to the context. Formality. Let's see. If you say everything's just dandy, everything's fine, this is informal. 3.5 informality. A dandy as a person, I think I'd probably give a 6 informality. This guy is a real dandy. 6, maybe even 6.5 informality. You could use it in an informal conversation, but you need to be describing specifically what you mean. Okay, as to origin, let's see. It comes from the Scots word dandy, somebody who's always well dressed. There have been suggestions that this was dandy was a nickname for Andrew. Yeah, but maybe not. Okay, so I hope life with you today is just dandy. I hope everything's perfect. And as you can see by the way I dress, I'm certainly no dandy. Also, when I was a kid, there was a comic called The Dandy with Biffo the Bear, but I always used to like the Beano much more. It was more fun. It was funnier. So, I think that's just dandy. A dandy video I've made there. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Dandy.